Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we will use OpenCode for free. It is an AI agent like Claude Code, but it is open source. And we can use it with some AI models for free. So let's start. First, we will open Chrome. I'll maximize this and I'll search here for OpenCode docs. Hit enter. Go to this first link. Now here, its intro and its installation method is given. So if I go down to this install, so here you can see you can install it using Node.js npm. So the installation of Node.js is very simple. So I'll open a new tab and here I will search for Node.js. Go to this first link, get Node.js, Windows installer, save, and it will download Node.js. I'll cross this because I've already downloaded and installed it. The installation is pretty simple. Open the exe file and next and it will install. Now I'll close this. Now I'll copy this command. I'll type here PowerShell, open it and paste the command here. Now hit enter. Now it will take some time in installation of this OpenCode. So we will wait. So now it is installed. So if I type OpenCode, hit enter. So now you can see it opened OpenCode. Now I'll again come to this browser. I'll remove this docs from here, hit enter. Now I'll click on this Zen. Now here click on this login. So now you can see here it has these models. This Minimax M2.5 is free. Now go to this API key. I forgot one thing. I have already created my account. You have to create your account. If I log out for you here and then again if I click on login, so you can create account with GitHub and with Google. So we will continue with Google. And this way you can create your account with Zen. Now click on this API key. We need an API key. I've already created these. I'll create a new one and I will name this OpenCode and create. Now I'll copy this key. I'll come here to CMD and I'll type here /connect, hit enter, OpenCode Zen recommended. So we will connect to this and I'll paste my API key and hit enter. So here you can see the free models, Big Pickle, Minimax 2.5, Nemotron, free and Rank 2.6, 1T is free. So you can use these four free. The other one like Claude, Opus 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, Sonnet, GLM, they are paid version. You can use all these. So right now I will use this Big Pickle. So now I will ask it, hi, write me a sick leave application to my manager. Now it is asking me further questions, just a basic template. I'll hit enter, yes. Now you can see it has written the application. Now how can you change the model? So /model, you can select another one. So I'll select this ring. 2.6 default. Hi, what model are you using? You can see I am a language model developed by Ant Group. What is your capabilities? So now you can see here its capabilities, and similarly there are other models you can use. So now how can we use this in VS Code? So for that I will close this. I'll close this as well. Now I'll come here to VS Code, open it. I'll maximize this and I'll come to this extensions tab and I'll search here for OpenCode. I'll select this first one by SST and I will install this. Plus the publisher. So now you can see here an icon is added here. So if I click on this, so now you can see it opened OpenCode here. I'll close this extensions tab and I will close this as well. I'll close these closed windows as well. I'll delete all these files from here or I'll create a new folder. New folder, OpenCode, projects. I'll select the folder and open it. Yes, I trust. I'll close this welcome page and now the icon is not showing here. So I'll come here to the settings, command palettes, and here I'll type OpenCode and hit enter and it will appear here. So now I'll ask it generate a CRUD operation app and PHP, put the GUI and index.html, hit enter. Now you can see it has spawned and now it is creating it one by one. Now you can see here it is building the application. Now it has created the application in this war folder in D, not in our OpenCode project. We have not explicitly told it to create in this folder. So if I go to this file, open folder, and now if I see here war and open it, now here is www folder inside this, and now you can see index.html. Now if I show this in reveal in file explorer, and now if I double click on this to open it, so now you can see it has created us this CRUD application and PHP. So I think this is enough for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.